Today we're going to be changing the engine oil on the 547cc engine made for MTD and put on several different branded lawnmowers including Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is start the engine and idle it for a few minutes to get the oil warm. Obviously, make sure you do that in a well-ventilated area. Remove the key and disconnect the spark plug wire. Alright, next thing I'm going to do to help there be no mess, put one side of the tractor up on blocks. That will give it the tilt to help the oil flow out and not onto the frame. Now the engine oil is going to be warm, so keep that in mind. We're now going to put down some cardboard in case of spills. And I'd recommend several layers if possible. Now you notice here I have the wheels turned all the way to the right. That gives us the most clearance between the steering link and the frame. So now we're going to take a funnel and fish it in there just like that. Now we'll just stuff a few old rags behind there. And we'll put our draining container underneath the funnel. Make sure it can hold at least 2 quarts. Now let's loosen our drain plug. Alright, and I set this container up on a block to get it closer to the funnel. Now let's take out the drain plug and let the oil drain. Gonna get some towels handy. Make sure the end of your funnel there is big enough to handle the flow in. Good time to smell your oil and see if it smells like it has fuel in it. If it does, you may have a needle and float issue in your carburetor or possibly just running rich. Now with the oil pretty much done draining, we can take it off the blocks. Now we can remove the funnel and prepare to reinstall our drain plug. We'll clean off our drain plug. And because this seals with pipe threads, it's actually tapered. So we're going to be using some pipe thread compound, like this. And with clean threads and some pipe thread compound on the plug, let's install it. And torque this to around 10, maybe 12 foot-pounds. Right there. Now we'll just remove our rags, and it is mess free. Now we'll just take an oil filter wrench. I like this one. And we'll remove the oil filter. Again, we'll put some rags behind here. Now I did put the other side on blocks now, just to help the oil come right down here. You don't have to do that, but it just saves some mess. Now we'll clean the mounting surfaces. Alright, now we'll take our new filter, and the OEM part number is 951-12690. So we'll just take a little bit of 10W30 oil and coat the gasket, maybe pour a little bit in there. Now the correct engine oil to use is 10W30. I'm using a small engine oil. I just have it in this bottle, but it's a small engine oil. Alright, we'll just make sure that's clean. Make sure the gasket's seated on the oil filter, and then we'll install it. And right when it starts to seat, we'll turn it another half turn. Just until it's snug. Okay, now with the mower taken off the block so it's all level, let's refill the engine with fresh oil. Cleaned out the funnel. Now it should take anywhere from 48 to 58 ounces. Alright, now I stopped at 1.5 just to check it, and we still have more to go. So we'll probably end up putting in 1 3/4 quarts. Alright, we're right near the high mark, and that is going to change. It's probably going to go down a little bit after we run it. We'll hook up the spark plug wire, and then we'll start it. And now we're going to check for leaks. And we are good to go. Now we'll let it sit for a few minutes, let all the oil drain to the sump, and then we'll check it one last time and add if necessary. So that's all there is to changing the engine oil on the 547cc engine made for MTD. Thanks for watching.